So to change that grease cartridge out real quick, all I did was step 1, pull this rod all the way out until it clicked into place all the way out of there. And then I just unscrewed the head of the gun to remove the old cartridge and make room for the new one I just found. And you'll notice this thing's got 2 sides. I believe you pull off this cap side, not the chili can side, and pull the cap side off and stick it in there. And now you can pull your noodle can side off and throw it back together. You don't want to cross thread those, it should thread on smooth. And then we can release this somehow. Yep, there it goes. And push it back in. Or not. There it goes. I don't know why that other one was giving me so much trouble that day. You just got to push that button and stick the rod all the way in at the same time. If that button's pushed, that rod ought to slide smooth all the way down in there. Alright, that's all I got the strength for. But let's see if that works. Yep, looky there. I don't know if you can see it's coming out. Nice.